Okay, we have a Sharp Vertical Machining Center, model SV2412, serial number 401000431. This machine was new in 2005, and we are running it. Machine has a FANUC OI mate control. That's 1500 RPM. It goes up to 8,000. It has a Cat 40 spindle with a 3,000. Nice and quiet. 5,000 RPM. It has a 10 tool change automatic umbrella style tool changer. 6,000 RPM. You have a 27.5 by 12 inch T-slotted rotary, not rotary, 27.5 by 12 inch T-slotted table. Simulating a tool change right now. You have 24 inches of X travel, 12 inches of Y, and 18 inches of Z. That was your Z. Moving for the tool change. He's moving the Y and then the X. And your Z. All right, those are the axes. You saw a tool change. That's your screen there. You also have a remote jog handle. Machine does have a coolant system. Hey, thank you for watching our video.